The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.
Bless up, everyone. I'm Tracy, and I'm the host of ParTV. ParTV is a channel that talks about things and end on a spiritual note. We have other videos also. We are also a humanitarian channel. We talk about issues and the love for mankind and nature. Big up Seriousskilla. Big up to everyone. Please subscribe to my channel. It's a good channel. Thank you.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the first thing that I'm going to say, you see, ParTV is a good channel on YouTube. You see, I just presented to you a video, and that video shows a person who goes by the name of Tracy. And Tracy have a YouTube channel that is called ParTV. Alright? And you know, Tracy talk about some really interesting things, viewers and subscribers. I want you, my viewers and subscribers, to go over to ParTV and check out some of these contents. I want you to go over to ParTV, click the subscribe button, say hi to Tracy, and let her know that Seriousskilla send you. Alright? I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video, and you can click that link, and that link will take you to ParTV. Alright? Yeah, that's ParTV. P-A-R-R-T-V. Alright? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, and big up and respect to Tracy, and big up and respect to ParTV. Alright? Now, there are two videos that I'm going to present to you, and I'm going to explain what each video is about while I move along, you know. And the first video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show an altercation between a police officer and a person within the country of Jamaica. Alright? Now, this video is going to show the civilian and the police officer holding on to each other and pushing and pulling each other. This video also shows other persons as well, and some of these persons said and did some things in this video that gave me the understanding that they are trying to bring somewhat of a calm between the police officer and the civilian. You see me? It seems as if they are trying to stop what's going on between the police officer and the civilian, or the altercation between the police officer and the civilian. You see? And this video is out on social media where some persons are saying that the police officer is wrong, you know, and some persons on social media are saying the civilian is wrong. You see me? But I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at this video. You can also tell me what you think. And even though this video might not be long enough for you, my viewers and subscribers, to get the best of understanding as to what had happened, I'm going to ask this question. Who was wrong? Is it the police officer or the civilian? Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright. Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Officer, level man, officer. Level man. Yo. Yo, listen to me. Yeah, man. Yo, look for me. Look for me now, man. Look for me now, man. Yo, look for me now, man. Officer, listen. All right, let's break it up. Officer.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. The video that is out on social media that shows somewhat of an altercation between a police officer and a person somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Alright. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to move on to the next video right about now, and this video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person saying some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that someone within the house that he's at stole his phone. Alright? Now, viewers and subscribers, I wanted to please bear in mind that I'm only explaining to you according to some of the things that this person said in the video that I am about to present to you. Alright? Now, this video did not show the person who is talking about, you see me? And this person went on to explain how the phone got missing. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, if everything this person said, if it is true, then in my point of view, I would call something like this a dishonest incident. You understand? You see me? Because he said that he lost his phone, and you know, according to some of the things that he had said, it would seem as if the person either found his phone or deliberately take his phone away or stole it. You understand? But however, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. You understand? This video is out on social media and it's being talked about as well, viewers and subscribers, alright? And I'm just trying to explain to you according to how I understand some of the things that have been said in this video, as well as some of the things that I saw in this video as well. You understand me? So, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. Was it a dishonest act or what? Or do you believe the things that he's saying? Or, you know, you can let me know if you do not believe the things that this person is saying. Alright, let me know what you think overall about this whole thing. Alright, now here is the video that I'm going to present to you. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Alright, viewer discretion is advised. Alright, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Come on. Yeah, it's a video now.
Alright, good morning everyone. So I'm making this video because I lost my phone last night. Yeah, see there? Proof. So I lost my phone last night between hours of 12:30 to 1:30. So there was no one on the road. So by my speculation, it was taken up by someone in the house because I fell asleep in the chair. Okay, so I made some checks. I went around and I made a report, and I came back and I didn't see the phone. So I'm now making some checks and I found the phone. So come. So Cynthia to the phone and she put it in the room, closed the door, didn't know I have a key for it, and left. So all I did was simply open the door, just like this. Let me turn the lights on for you. Now look, this is the one that normally says, okay, she's clean and everyone else is nasty. But come around, let me show you something. So there are two barrels here. She previously stole a tissues about last year or so and put it in the barrel. So by my speculation, the phone will be in the barrel also. So I simply removed the cover. First time check. I checked up there first, but didn't see it. And I felt this here. Now look, you see? You shake it, you wouldn't find it. But when I check the pocket, here's my phone. This is my phone, turned off, look. My phone is turned off. See, Galaxy Samsung A10. That's my phone that she stole and put it in her barrel. And if I should ask her,
close the door in the jacket.
In the jacket, hid it and left, thinking I wouldn't find it because I didn't make mention of it.
Viewers and subscribers, I listened carefully to some of the things that this person said, you see me? And you know, it seems as if this is not the first time this person enter the person's room looking for something that is missing. You see me? And that's my point of view. That's just my point of view. You understand me? But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, I just presented to you the video that shows a person saying some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that someone stole his phone. You understand, viewers and subscribers? Please bear in mind that I'm only telling you according to how I understand some of the things that this person said, alright? So you can let me know what to think about that video that I just presented to you, alright? Yeah, and right here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Now let me know what you think about all these videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.